Ndewo na ụmụ akwụkwọ. Welcome to Igbo classroom. Today we will be looking at greetings in Igbo. Ekele n'asụsụ Igbo. Let's begin. Nnọọnụ. Children will greet parents and elders correctly in Igbo at home. When you see mama or papa in the morning, what do you say? Ndewo. 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 Basic Igbo greetings. Ndewo means hello. Ndewo, hello. And this can be said anytime and to anyone. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. You say this when you wake up in the morning. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. This is said in the afternoon. So when you get back from school, you want to say good afternoon. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Say it all. Mgbede ọma, which means good evening. Now we practice at home. Parents will say to their children, Ndewo, and the kids will say, Ndewo mama. Parents, Ndewo, and the kids will say, Ndewo mama. Parents will say, Ụtụtụ ọma. The kids will say, Ụtụtụ ọma papa, or Ụtụtụ ọma mama. So, Ụtụtụ ọma means good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. So kids will say Ụtụtụ ọma papa or Ụtụtụ ọma mama. So at the end, today, greet everyone at home in Igbo. Just like we have already said. Ịma-atụ. Ọmụma-atụ means examples. Ndewo mama. Ụtụtụ ọma papa. Ehihie ọma nna m. Mgbede ọma nne. So just like we did in the last lesson, mama means mom, papa means dad. Or you can as well use nna as father and nne as mother. So we do that again. Ndewo mama. Ụtụtụ ọma papa, which means good morning father. Ehihie ọma nna m, good afternoon father. Mgbede ọma nne, good evening father. Practice this more often at home and you'll be more consistent with your studies. Come back and watch the video anytime and continue to reinforce it at home. Thank you for listening. Ka emesịa nụ.